Have you ever wondered how Tesla plans to make electric cars affordable for everyone without compromising its cutting-edge technology? Imagine owning a sleek, futuristic Tesla that's not just eco-friendly, but also fits your budget. Intrigued? Stay tuned and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with the latest in automotive innovation. Welcome back to Car Update. Today, we're diving into one of Tesla's most ambitious projects to date, the Tesla next-generation vehicle platform. This game-changing platform is set to revolutionize the EV market by introducing more affordable electric cars while maintaining Tesla's signature performance and design excellence. Let's uncover what makes this platform a true disruptor. Let's start with performance. Tesla promises that cars built on this next-gen platform will deliver the same jaw-dropping acceleration and handling we've come to expect. Although specific details haven't been officially released, insiders suggest a 0-60 mile-per-hour time under 6 seconds and an impressive range of over 300 miles on a single charge. Tesla's goal? To make high-performance EVs accessible to the masses, bringing the thrill of electric driving to a whole new audience. Now, let's talk about the exterior. Tesla is known for its minimalist yet futuristic design language, and this new platform won't disappoint. The sleek lines, aerodynamic body, and modern LED lighting will give these vehicles a dynamic and premium look, making them a head-turner on the road. Rumor has it that these models will have customizable options to suit every driver's taste. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by Tesla's signature dashboard design. Clean, intuitive, and tech-forward. The centerpiece? A massive touchscreen display that controls nearly every aspect of the car, from navigation to entertainment. This platform is also expected to include advanced driver assistance features, ensuring a safe and futuristic driving experience. Imagine a car that feels like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Fuel efficiency, or should we say energy efficiency, is another area where Tesla shines. Thanks to improvements in battery technology and Tesla's ongoing innovations, these next-gen vehicles are expected to be some of the most efficient EVs on the market. With Tesla's supercharger network expanding globally, recharging will be faster and more convenient than ever. So are you ready to embrace Tesla's vision of the future? The next-generation vehicle platform isn't just about making electric cars affordable. It's about making sustainable technology a part of everyone's lives. If you're excited about this revolution, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments what you think about Tesla's next big move. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest in Tesla and the EV world. See you in the next video.